welcome back. This is NewsFile, it's your most authoritative news analysis platform. And here on NewsFile, as you know, we put Ghana first. On Anyenini Legal Light, I say, stop spreading COVID-19. Now, the danger becoming alarming is that there are people who have come into contact with people who are infected, or people who may be aware that they are infected. But because they are not in public health facilities, may be spreading COVID-19. Some people have complained at workplaces about persons who know that they have COVID-19 and yet appear to have remained at work. It's becoming a major concern. We had a CAP 86, a Towns Act. It's a law that we made in this country that prohibited persons who, while suffering from a dangerous infectious disorder, but willfully expose persons without proper precaution against spreading the disorder in a street, in a public place, in a shop, in an inn, or a public conveyance, or that you are in charge of a person who is suffering and you expose the sufferer, or you give, you lend, you sell, you transmit, or expose without previous disinfection that is needed to avoid infecting other people. You are liable to the sanction of 24,000 Ghana cedis. We passed the Public Health Act 2012, and we appear to have repealed this law. So, the law now mandates that the state will ensure that you are isolated, because we also have an EI that mandates mandatory isolation if you are infected, and contact tracing has to happen. Now, because the contact tracing is not happening as expected, and the health director, Ghana Health Service Director, advised that once you have somebody who is infected or something, or you suspect that you have it, begin to caution yourself and isolate yourself even before you get tested. Some people don't appear to want to work with this. If you violate the mandatory isolation provisions of the law, you are subject to be punished. And under Section 11 of the Public Health Act, you are likely to suffer even imprisonment for about 3 months. Please, let's all be cautious at a time when COVID is rising rather high in this country, to protect not only ourselves, but to protect others too. That's your legal light.